Hello YouTube. Today is Sunday, January 6th. The day after I went to Game Academy just yesterday. Guess what I got, guys? I got him. Number 40. Gimmick Puppet of Strings. Check this motherfucker out. It says right here in the card text, it says, oh shit. Two level 8 monsters. Once per turn, you can detach one Xyz material from this card. Place one string counter on each face-up monster on the field except this card. If you do, destroy your opponent's or during your opponent's next end phase. Destroy the monsters with string counters, and if you do, inflict 500 damage to your opponent for each monster destroyed. Attack 3,000, defense 2,000. Rank 8, Dark Attribute, Machine Xyz monster. Well, that's not a bad card at all. People kept telling me it's not that good. That's not that bad, though, especially if you're running a burn deck. That actually would be excellent. But anyway, I'm gonna send a trade binder update video here just a minute, so be expecting that. For now, though, Hills signing off.